Here's how to connect Claude to UpHex. This will allow you to create UpHex ad templates using Claude, and Claude will build them directly into UpHex for you. Let's jump in. In your UpHex account, you're going to go to Settings, and you're going to go to Uppy AI. Here you'll find instructions on how to connect to Claude. First, you're going to click on this link. Then you're going to select the Add Connector, and you're going to choose Add Custom Connector. Call it UpHex. We're going to go back here and hit Copy, and you'll paste that in here. Now, these advanced settings are optional. It just creates a little bit more security in your connection here. If you want to do this, you need to do this right now in this step. Otherwise, you can just move on. In order to add in these OAuth client ID and client secret, you'll go back to UpHex, and here you can actually create these. This is not the same thing as an API key. This is unique to MCPs, which are things like ChatGPT and Gemini and things like that. So I'm going to create one. I'm going to call it UpHex Claude so that I know this is the one I'm creating for Claude. I'll hit Generate Credentials. And then you'll be provided with a client ID and a client secret. So I'll go ahead and copy those. And again, this is completely optional, but if you want just a little bit more security, you can add these in. It's not hard to do. And then you'll click Add. Once you've hit Add, then you will need to connect UpHex. So go ahead and click Connect. And then it's going to ask you to authorize this connection. We'll click Authorize. And now you are good to go. Now that you've got UpHex integrated with Claude, it's really easy to use inside of your Claude account. Let me show you how. I've started a conversation with Claude, and now I'm ready for UpHex to jump in. All you have to say is now use UpHex, ... Use UpHex to create a small library of ads, to create a couple templates, anything like that. And then Claude will go back and forth, and it will ask you a couple questions, and you'll go ahead and approve and watch the magic happen. And then once it's done, it'll tell you where you can find it. You can also ask it what category it's in if it doesn't tell you. If I go back to UpHex, I can see the new ad here that Claude created, and it's ready to go. Let us know if you guys have any questions. Thanks.